Rise and grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, in this video we got a 2002 Buick LeSabre Custom, and we are replacing the rear control arms. Now we already did the fuel pump on this. You can check the link in the description for that one. But we're gonna get to it. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, we got it up in the air. Got my jack rod. Safety first. Alright, so this is what we're looking at. They busted. These boots are busted. We're going to go ahead and replace those. That's on both sides. Alright, so that was a 19 mil. And that just slid right out, man. Another 19 mil here. That'll be loose. Alright, so this is what I did. You see I repositioned my jack. Got it back here. And reason being, I couldn't push I got my punch that screw back, but it's stuck right here, hitting the gas tank. So gotta look at how I'm gonna get that through. Alright, I took out this bolt here, that one right there, connected to that. Alright, and now I'm able to move this. I'll be able to get that bolt out of there. Use your pry bar, get in between that, pry it down. And we out. Got the first one down. Same thing for the other one. Got a bolt back here. And that's the other one. Alright, our brand new ones. You can see the boot is not cracked. That's the part number CA 4345. That's both of them. They come in pairs. It's best to do them in pairs. Alright, we got that in there. Make sure you put that washer on there. Tight. This side is not tight just yet. What we want to do is hold this in and tighten the nut down because it's spinning. Alright, we done. Now I held the nut with a 19 mil wrench and put a 8 mil socket on the bottom and went to work, and that tightened down. And that's gonna be it. You do need an alignment after this repair.